Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Audi A1. So first of all, we have to make sure Bluetooth is on. So that's on there, and we're watching out for the Audi MMI system at the bottom. But again, you can either, if you go to telephone there, it's saying search for a new mobile, or you can go into menu and you can select the telephone, click on telephone, and you come to the same screen. Search for new mobile, and then click continue. It's now looking, it's found my phone has found the car, but the car hasn't found the phone yet. So we'll just wait. If you click this too early, it quite often doesn't pair and you have to start again. So we'll just wait for it to find the phone. There you go. So it's found my phone there. Click the selector. Click hands-free. Connection's being established. There you go. Bluetooth pairing request. Pair. Does this pin match? Well, yes it did. So yes. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Connection's been established there, and it's also connected here.